Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorials how to change grid size. For example, I will create new drawings and you can change into draft tools. Now it will be show for the grid. So if you want to change this grid size, you can go to edit menu, click preference, and then in draft tools, in it you can click on grip and snap tab. Now you can change, like I will set grid spacing into 10 millimeter. Click apply and OK. Now you can refresh by change into star and we set again into draft. So it will be changed into 100 millimeter. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorials how to change grid size. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.